front of me is ASUS Zenfone 10, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple Layout. Begin by going into Play Store, clicking on the search bar and typing in iOS Launcher. Then download this app from this developer, Launcher iOS 16. When you're ready, just open it and hit on Allow and while using in all available pop-ups. Then close your app and go into Devices Settings. In them, tap on Apps and Notifications. Scroll down just a bit, select Default Apps and click on Home App. Lastly, to apply iOS Launcher, tap on it, hit OK and got it. So when I do that, as you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my ASUS. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!